Hi everyone, in this lecture we are going to talk about grid auto column. Now when you change the default value of grid auto flow from row to column, then you're going to end up with an implicit column track. Now first off, let's go ahead and let's take a look at that. So we have grid auto flow. Let's set it to column. Now, if we take a look at our result, we basically ended up with implicit column tracks. Now, how can you provide style? How can you provide dimensions for an implicit column track? Now, keep in mind when it comes to rows, the dimension is going to be defined along the vertical axis. So you are going to define height for your rows and thickness or width for your columns. Keep that in mind. So when it is column, we have our property, which is grid auto columns, and in here, let's say you want to provide it with, I don't know, like what is the default value is 200. Let's provide it 400 pixels, and when I save it, it is twice as much as these. That's why you can see it goes beyond the page, because it's got an absolute unit, not a relative one that adapts to the screen size. But nonetheless, you can see that the dimension has been applied to our implicit grid column tracks. With this, our lecture comes to an end. See you in the next one.